Hi, this is Autodidact, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a neon effect. Let's get to it. Alright, first we're going to draw a line, and I'm going to use the pen tool here. And while the pen tool is selected, make sure that the fill here has no color, and do that by clicking on the no color icon here and press enter, and set the stroke color to white, press enter, and I'll just set 10 pixels for the stroke thickness here. Alright, let's draw a line, or maybe curve line, and make sure the shape layer here is selected. Now click FX or add layer style and click on the outer glow. You can change the opacity here, the spread here, and the size value here. I'll go ahead and maybe set this to 50% opacity, and the spread will be maybe 6 and the size maybe 70. Alright, you can also change the color if you want, but I'll just leave that yellow color here. Now click on the inner glow. You can change the size here. I'll go ahead and change it to maybe 12 and set the blend mode to from screen to multiply. Alright, click OK, and we have our neon effect. You can also apply this on the text. Let's try that. Here, and I'm going to type Autodidact and click check there, and let's resize this, transform, and boom. Now apply the neon effect. While the text layer is selected, click here the FX or add layer style and click outer glow, and it will apply your previous settings, and you can change. Go ahead and click here, like, and go ahead and set this to maybe 24 pixels size, and then I think I'm okay with that, and I'm okay also with the opacity. And then click on the inner glow. Well, I think that's okay for me, 12%, and multiply. Okay, so now we have our neon effect on our text. So that's how you create neon effect. And oh, I forgot, you can also change the color here if you want. So if you don't like the yellow color, you can simply click on that and change on the color. Maybe here, we'll try this one, and copy, and okay, and go to the outer glow and click on that and paste. Okay, and now you have the other color. Just click OK. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video or my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified for new uploaded videos. Just a quick note here, if you have questions in your mind or something to say, please don't hesitate to type it down on the comment section below, because I will be reviewing all the comments and I hope to help you.